In today's tech tip, let me show you how to install Forza Horizon 5 on your Xbox. Now, I'm assuming you've already purchased this either on Microsoft Store on your computer, and now you just want to transfer the game to your Xbox, or you just acquired an Xbox and want to install it here. So it's very simple. All you have to do is sign in with the same Microsoft account that you used to purchase Forza Horizon 5. And then once you do that, go to the store and then search and type Forza Horizon 5. And as you type, you will see results. And from the results, you can already see suggestions. So find the specific game that you downloaded. Now for me, I actually downloaded the main game. So I'll come here where it says choose edition, select that. And as you can see, it gives me the option to install, and it says you own this, which means basically I already own this game. So all I have to do now is press the install button, and the game is going to be added to the queue, ready for download and install on my Xbox Series X. So that is basically how to download. I wish it could start immediately. You can actually see it's already started downloading, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you find this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.